Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to stop background apps in Windows 11. So if you think that the apps are taking too much space or maybe the battery is draining too fast, then I'll show you how you can turn them off to stop running in the background. So first you have to open the search bar and there you have to search for install apps and then all the install apps that are in your PC will get open. Then whatever app you want to turn off to run from the background, you have to click onto the three dots onto it. If you see the option for advanced settings or advanced option, then open it up and there you will see this option background app permission. In that case, you have to simply click onto this option never and it will not be able to run in the background. So some of these apps don't have this option for the advanced option. That means these apps cannot run in the background. So for these apps you can just simply leave them as like that. But if you see the option for the advanced option, once you click on that three dots, that means these may run in the background. So you have to simply stop them by selecting the never, and these apps will not be able to run in the background. So that's how you will be able to turn off the apps from running in the background. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.